Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. So we are having detox juice today. So we have one cucumber diced, and I have 4 pieces of celery. Then I have blueberry, just small portion of blueberry, and I have spinach and dates here, 3 dates, just to add flavor to taste very well. And so I'm just going to dice the celery now, and then turn everything over to the blender. So we're just going to blend everything together. I'm not adding water. If you like, you can add just a little water. So I'm going to see if I'm going to be able to blend this now. Right guys, I was able to blend it without water. So if you like, you can add water to yours. So I'm just going to strain it now, get the juice out of it. And remember, this juice is very good for anti-inflammatory. It's good for cleansing. It's good for detoxing. Yeah, and it's good for those of us who are going on weight loss journey. I normally take this first thing in the morning before I have any other meal. But you can take yours any hour of the day that you choose. But I think for a better result, it's good you take it first thing in the morning or during the noon time. So I'm just going to add cinnamon to it. I would normally like to add cinnamon to my drink because cinnamon is high in antioxidants and good for anti-inflammatory, good for your body, have every high in nutrients that you need for your body for cleansing and detoxing your body. So guys, let me know what you think about this recipe. Drop your comment. Please like and subscribe, and a thumbs up if you like this recipe. Yeah, I hope you subscribe and join us in this family. Thank you for watching. It tastes really fantastic, and the blueberry really add flavor to it, and the dates. Thank you very much for liking. Thumbs up. Bye.